All right, guys, here it is, the video everybody's been waiting on, the Titan window installation in the OBS, guys. Check it out, 100% done. Came out beautiful. Check out the sunroof. Sunroof came out beautiful. Sheesh, beautiful, man. Beautiful, beautiful truck. Got it cleaned up. Let me show you the hidden drain pan in here. Pop out that key. Show you that hidden drain pan. Can't even tell it's in there. Still has room to fit a JL. Check out the trim, guys. None of the trim had to, none of the plastic had to be trimmed. Everything fits like factory. Like I said, this is 100% bolted in and glued in. Hit us up for these kits, guys. I modify these windows to fit your OBS perfectly. Check out the sunroof. Sunroof came out badass. Man, it don't get no better than this, guys. So subscribe down below. Comment, let me know what you guys think. I'm sorry the video's taking a little longer than expected, guys, but I wanted to make sure I was detailed. I wanted to make sure I was in depth. I showed you everything that nobody shows you. You know, I show you up close, man. Let me show you up close. Nobody be showing you up close. But yeah, check that out, man. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Look at that. Check out the back. Rubber molding sits beautiful. Everything sits beautiful, guys. My bad, I say beautiful a lot, but I'm proud of my work. You know, I take my time on it, make sure it comes out right, make sure the customer's happy. But man, I gotta say, this is one of the cleanest installs that I've seen. I see a lot of them. I'm not disrespecting nobody. But you know, a lot of people, they just cut it and fill it with foam. Or the other half of the videos, they don't show you nothing. They don't show you how they do it or anything. They leave you wondering. But guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna show you how to do it the right way. And I show you what everybody don't show you. Check this out, man. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Everything's hidden. No foam at all. The reason I haven't done an OBS in a while, well, the reason I haven't done an OBS is because I refused to cut up the cab and fill it with foam. So that's the reason I haven't done one. I waited for the right customer. A lot of people wanted me to do it the cheap way, and I refused to do it the cheap way. That's the reason I haven't done one. But this guy wanted it done the right way, wanted it to last, wanted it to not leak, wanted it to look factory, and man, I went ahead and knocked it out for him, guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. So subscribe down below, comment, because I'm about to drop the full video on how I did this. So like I said, these windows are available online, or send us a direct message on Instagram, SiempreTumbado, or Spray by Row, and you can order it that way too. We ship to every state. We've been shipping them for the past 2 years. Just about to every state. We're super grateful for the feedback we've been getting, super grateful for the support, and we're going to continue to rock and continue to put out these badass videos. So subscribe, comment down below, and wait for that part 2.